welcome. It is Sunita here in the house, or sunny or sunshine. Hey, so today we're really going to work out which colours are calling you and why they're calling you. But before we do get into that, I'd love for you to like the video afterwards and share with your friends and family. You know, as I always say, sharing is caring, of course. And also hit that notification bell, ting-a-ling-a-ling, to get more notifications of our videos straight through when on demand. Yes, that sounds great, doesn't it? So how do you find out about the colours? The colours are very, very much, I don't know, I don't think they're utilised as much as they should be, really, in this world that we live in. So finding out how your colours are calling you. When you go to your wardrobe in the morning or even at night and you look in your wardrobe and go, oh, I don't know, maybe I'll set out my clothes for tomorrow, right? So you set your clothes and then the next morning comes and then all of a sudden the next morning you go, I really don't like that. Can I change my clothes to something else, right? So you decide to change your clothes, which is fine. Now just think, if you have a uniform, you might go, oh, I hate that uniform, it's disgusting. I can't stand it, blah, blah, blah. So if that does happen, if you find that you do not like your uniform, it's more than likely that your energy is not feeling it. Your energy, your whole bodily system is saying, no, I don't like it. I'm not feeling it. I don't need to have that colour injected into my bloodstream, okay? So that's one of the reasons in terms of colours and energy, and why you may feel that you're attracting the wrong energy, or why you feel those colours are calling you or not calling you, right? So if they're not calling you, you're going to obviously want to put that colour away and wear something else. It's normal to do that. Now, if a colour is calling you, it's more than likely that your body needs it. Your energy system, your chakras, which I spoke about in the last video, your chakras, your energy system requires that feeling, that colour, to really fill in to your energy system, to give you the best feeling in the world, okay? So you might need to tank up on that. And again, if you don't feel like wearing that colour, you don't have to. Get a piece of cloth of that colour, look at it, absorb the colour, or you could place it on the body, place it in a certain area where that chakra energy is. So for example, if it was the sacral area, which is orange, you'd place it in the sacral area of your hips. If it was in the heart, so if you're feeling in terms of like lonely, or if you're feeling like the grief, or wanting to release the ability to love yourself, universal love, you might take the pink and put it in the heart. You could do that with crystals as well. Like, for example, the rose quartz crystal can do the same thing too, right? In case you don't like colour matched cloth, you can also use a crystal. Why not? In that colour. And then also, like, again, with the green, if you don't like wearing green, some people cannot wear green because of their skin tone. So you might instead want to get a green cloth and place that to be able to release the ability to forgive others. So always remember, when you look in your wardrobe, have a look through what you have and see what you're actually dismissing for how many months. And you might find that those are the clothes that you actually take out of the wardrobe and you give and pass to charity. And not just because of the fact they may not fit you, it's just because the colour no longer resonates with you, okay? So that's your little thing to do, all right? Have a look in your wardrobe, see what's going on. See if those colours still resonate with you and see what you're picking out. And then you can give yourself the reason why. Your energy system says a lot, and colours speak volumes. So until the next time, toodle pip, I will see you later, Gator, as they say. I'm Sunita. Please remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel, get your people subscribing, and also ting-a-ling-a-ling, that notification bell has got to be rung, okay? So enjoy the colours, enhance your life, and have fun until the next time. Ciao, ciao.